Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 202 rotary desk telephone. This is Alex's equipment from Ohio, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And we want to go ahead and go through some of the things that need to be done. We want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We also want to repair the number issue. The numbers for the rotary dial are in really bad shape, so that will be taken care of. We want to troubleshoot the transmit, the receive, and the handset cord. We want to rewire this telephone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We will also be installing a line cord, so we'll take care of that issue. We want to take a look at the hook switch, so we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We're going to get some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 202 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. And we're going to use the bell box that we repaired and converted for Alex in an earlier video. So we'll use the two together, but they could be used independent of one another. Because we have a dual modular port installed at the bottom of the bell box, so that you can simply plug in any telephone to the bell box and continue out with a line cord to a jack. Or they can be used separately, and you can plug them in anywhere you choose. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a handset. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now, this telephone does have an F1 transmitter in the handset, and they can be a little noisy at times. They can cause a static sensation, and this one has been troubleshooted, and it's not too bad, so it doesn't need to be changed at this time. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that the bell box is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, July 23rd. The current time, 6:26 p.m. and the temperature, 82 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can give you some dial tone. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 202 rotary desk telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Alex and he can enjoy this equipment. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.